Hi guys, so this is a food idea for you. It only cost £4 2p and I got the cheese. The cheese was £2.99. So you could have had your cheese in already. The carrot was 11p, the onion was 13p, the broccoli was 79p, and that all came to £4 2p. So I'm going to cut up the onion, grate the carrot and cut the broccoli, and I'll be back to you. So in an oven-proof dish, I've got the broccoli there. This works well with loads of veg that you've got left over just hanging around as well. The carrot and the onions are going in. Give that a mix up. Then I'm going to add in some cheese. Again, mix it up. Then out of my store cupboard, I've got some eggs. So I've got 4 eggs here and I put salt and pepper in there. And I also had a couple pieces of ham knocking around. So I just blended those up and I thought, well, instead of wasting them, I'm going to chuck them in. You could do this with any leftover meat, or you could just leave it vegetables. Give it a mix up. And then I'm going to add the egg mix. Get that all in. And then make sure everything is combined. And then we're going to pat that down. And whilst I'm doing this, I have had the oven on. I'm going to put everything into the oven on 180 for about 20 minutes. You could also put this into your air fryer. If you've got a little dish or a smaller dish, if you want to make a smaller amount, you can pop that in your air fryer as well, obviously for less time. So pat that down. And I'm going to add some cheese to the top. And this will obviously save for another meal because I've only used a small bit of that. And that's what it looks like, guys. And that's, like I say, it's going to go into the oven and we'll come back in 20. And that is ready to get out. And that is what it looks like. Now this would go perfect with some beans, chips, I don't know, whatever you want to put it with. So this is 4 big portions here that I've made. That's what it looks like. I'm going to get that into a bowl. I'm going to do a taste test. It smells really good. So there we have it. You could even have this as like a brunch idea. If you like my ideas, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? Let's try it. Really cheesy and really nice. And do you know what? A brilliant way to get some of your 5 a day. Give it a go.